Hello everybody, welcome back to my build of the LEGO Porsche. I did a little preview of the box contents yesterday, so I've started building it today. It's the following day. It's the set number 10295, the Porsche 911. It's February 2021 and I'm just building it. And I've just got to the end of bag number 1, so I just wanted to show you where bag number 1 gets you to. So bag number 1 gets you to this chassis section where I am at the moment, and you can just see you're starting to get, which is obviously going to be the base of the seats in the front, and that's about it really. Nothing amazing about it. I don't know why they use these different colour pieces these days. There's absolutely no reason for the blue and the red. Don't know why they're not just made out of black pieces. I have no idea why they choose different colours. Same as them little yellow bits as well. Why are they yellow? Why can't they just be black? I really don't know. It's one of the things that confuses me these days. It's like the yellow there at the front. Why does that have to be yellow? You don't see it once the car's built. So why can't that just be black? Why can't them red bits there be black? I don't know. Maybe somebody at LEGO can explain, unless it's a way of making the build easier by having some bits one colour, some bits another. But to say that this set is made for 18 plus, I don't really think it's going to be something built by amateurs who have never built anything from LEGO before, but who knows? I'm guessing there's probably going to be some people who've never built LEGO before who think, "Ooh, I like the Porsche, I might buy that." Surprisingly, even though you tend to get a lot of spare parts, from the whole of bag 1, that is the only spare part, just one little pin. If you've seen my previous videos, when I built the Ecto 1, the Ghostbusters Ecto 1, there were loads of spare parts after every stage, whereas for this one, there's only that one black Technic Lego pin. That's the only thing that came spare. So Lego's been a little bit stingy with the spares on this one so far. Well, one thing I've noticed that's a bit unusual about the construction is how they've put that solid beam down the middle using these grained pieces, and then the bits underneath that have like a single stud in them, and then they're held in with a little red cross axle pieces to hold it all in. That's one thing that's a little bit unusual. One thing that always amazes me as well is, from one model to another, how different the design for the seats are. Like this kind of seat lower mounting that they've chosen for the Porsche is totally different to the Mustang and the Mini, the Fiat 500, etc. You know, they're all different. You know, they use a different design on each individual model. But anyway, I'm going to be getting on to bag number 2, which will take me to this stage, which is obviously showing the rear seat constructed and other bits. So I'll do another video after I've done that. So I shall see you soon. Cheers guys, bye.